There is now word former President Bill Clinton tried to get the Democrats to quit the race. This is a three-way race among Tea Party-backed Republican Marco Rubio, the Democrat Kendrick Meek, and the current governor, Charlie Crist, who is running as an independent. Crist is a former Republican who changed his party affiliation before the primary when it became clear to all that he would lose the primary to the Tea Party favorite. And President Clinton reportedly almost got the Democrat, Meek, to drop out and endorse former Republican Crist. President Clinton says, vote for Crist. The Democrat Meek now says he'll never drop out. This is developing news, and Phil Keating is in our Florida newsroom with it. Phil, the former Democratic president of the United States says don't vote for the Democrat, vote for the man who used to be a Republican.
Yeah, and the reason being given, reported by Politico, was that President Clinton campaigning here in Florida last week for Democratic Congressman Kendrick Meek, who of course is the Democratic nominee for Senate, saying you can be a hero here and give all of your supporters and their votes to independent Governor Charlie Crist. That's the only way to derail the Marco Rubio, the Republican candidate's campaign, and what looks to be almost assured a victory based on the three-way split in the polls. But Kendrick Meek's campaign manager, Abe Dyke, saying the story is flat out wrong, that Meek never agreed to drop out of this week and will not drop out of this race. However, tonight, independent Governor Charlie Crist releasing this statement saying the story is entirely accurate. According to Politico, President Clinton got Meek to concede that yes, this should be done to save the U.S. Senate for the Democrats. But by the end of last week, by the weekend, according to Politico, Meek changed his mind. He did not want to be perceived as a quitter. Chip.
All right, Phil. Meantime, the race for the Florida